In our species project, we are doing, we're basically trying to decode animal behavior from sounds. This is one subfield of bioacoustics. And we are basically building the machine learning tools to assist biologists to do that. So one example is one project that works with corvids, with crows. And these crows are doing cooperative breeding, so they are not only the parents help feeding the chicks, but also there's a whole family business there. So we're trying to see how they are coordinating their behavior and their movement around the nest using vocalizations. Doing bioacoustic is not only about animal sounds, it's also about the habitat. So what we call habitat is basically all the possible sounds that can occur in an environment where the bird or the animal lives. So Freesound has a lot of sounds that maybe do not contain animal sounds, but they are important into simulating habitats and natural conditions that can make machine learning model better because you can create this kind of like synthetic scenes, adding on top of animal sounds these other non-animal sounds that we can take from Freesound, and we can use them to build better models. We developed a model called NatureLM Audio, which is like a chat GPT for bioacoustics. And in this model, basically, we aim at having a biologist interacting with in a no-code interface, so just in a text kind of like chat interface, uploading their sounds and analyzing them. So I think in the future we are going in the direction of AI co-scientist. So basically you have a machine learning model that assists a biologist in basically analyzing many hours of audio with computational resources, things that were impossible to do before. Yes, I think a great step for that was the development of the Freesound dataset. So FSD 50K, we call it, and it's one of the most used dataset by the machine learning community, particularly by the people working on audio. And it's not one of the largest datasets, but it's one of the most, it has the most reliable annotations. So it helps training all these models and evaluating all these models that we work with.